Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about ProBux.net to see if it's legit or not. This is get paid every 30 seconds for viewing ads. Uh, you can earn money from home, guarantee ad daily, detailed statistic, and an instant payment. Increase your sales and traffic by displaying advertisement on your website. Affordable main benefits, affordable rates. So far you can't click anything about it so far. See what else they have. Terms of service, privacy policy. Have a lot of ads, so let's see the terms of service. It's forbidden to transfer or sell your account. Username, password. You can refer. It's a referral program. The more people you refer, the more money you get. Based on your current membership, you can get 2 cents per referral. If you're a gold member, 4 cents. Ultimate, 5 cents. So about a few pennies. Okay, let's see what else they have. If you violate their general use behavior, they can close your account and decide not to pay you. Let's see what else. No cheating allowed. Payment to users. Pay by Payeer, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Perfect Money. You can only request an unlimited amount to be paid. So the maximum amount you can request, they limit how much money you can take out. One payment is about $5, and they pay within 48 hours. If you do through Bitcoin, they pay $5 plus 0.5%, which is under 1%. You can only request one payment at a time. So if you have like all 4 accounts, you can only request one time in one day, all 4. There's no limit for investment withdrawals. See refund policy. AOL upgrade, no refundable. Non-refundable for banners, for ad, click for your ad. If you have 30 days no inactivity, your account will be temporarily suspended, and then if it hits 60 days, you'll be closed for inactivity. So far, I found there is a scam for this. They just collect your information. So let's see. If you tons of ads, should you be happy about it? Let's see what they say about it. It says it's like related programs with it so far. Fusebox and Zapbox, which is maybe they follow the same business model. And you have to. It's a great job collecting some proof about that. They always say same location, registered company to trick people in, fix ads, binary option, shipping address. So, let's see. People recommend not to sign up for this. There's passive examples of marketing, how to affiliate marketing, ad to play per click. There's a lot of information. Let's check who is. Let's see what it has about the company. You copy, post in domain search engine. See what they have. Okay, it's owned by Hostinger UAB, United Arabic, I think. It was created in 2018. It expired in 2020. So they do have a phone number. They said they're in Burlington, Massachusetts, so I think they kept switching their location every time. Because the one I saw, they said was in South Carolina, so it's best not to register for this company. Either they don't pay people, and they just collect your data. And it's very hard to view any information about a company because they uncheck the link. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.